Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix a Fiverr flagged account. If your Fiverr account has been flagged or restricted, don't panic. This can happen for various reasons, and in most cases it can be resolved by simply reaching out to Fiverr's support team. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Enter your login credentials to access your account. If you're using a different email app, that's perfectly fine too. Just make sure the email address you're logging into matches the one associated with your Fiverr account. This is important because Fiverr sends all important notifications to the email you registered with. Once you're in your inbox, check your emails carefully. Fiverr almost always sends a message explaining why your account was flagged. Look for any emails from Fiverr support or notifications. This email will usually contain details about the issue and what you need to do next. If you find this email, read it thoroughly as it might already contain instructions on how to resolve the flag. However, if you don't receive any email from Fiverr explaining the flag, you'll need to contact their support team directly. To do this, click on Compose to start drafting a new email. This will open a blank email window where you can reach out to Fiverr's support. In the To field, type support@fiverr.com. Make sure you've entered this email address correctly, as this is the official support channel for Fiverr. Any typos here will prevent your message from reaching the right team. Next, you'll need to write a short subject line. Type something clear and direct like "Request to review my flagged Fiverr account." A concise subject line helps the support team understand your issue right away and prioritize your request accordingly. Now it's time to compose the body of your email. Keep your message clean and simple. Include your Fiverr username or the email address associated with your account so they can quickly locate your profile. Explain that your account has been flagged and politely request a review. There's no need to write a lengthy explanation at this stage. Just be respectful, clear, and to the point. Once you've written your message, click Send. Your email will be delivered to Fiverr's support team and they'll begin reviewing your case. Typically, Fiverr replies within 1 to 3 days. During this time, be patient and avoid sending multiple follow-up emails, as that can sometimes delay the process. And that's it. You've successfully submitted a request to review your flagged Fiverr account. Now all you need to do is wait for their response and follow any instructions they provide. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.